Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make my sister style dal fry that you serve it with lemon. So let's get started. We are taking 3/4 cup of moong dal. I'm going to wash it. Take a pressure cooker with some water, add some salt, turmeric. Now we are going to close the lid and cook it for 1 whistle. On the side we are going to cook some rice too, because dal fry and rice goes together. Now to make the dal fry, we need some onion, tomato, red chili, curry leaves. So here I am taking 3 tablespoons of oil. Add some jeera. Few curry leaves, red chili, and some khada masala. Add some chopped garlic, onion, and salt. Cook it until it's slightly brown. Now we are going to add some tomatoes. Close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to add some ginger garlic paste, some red chili powder, and some dalcha powder. I'm going to show you the box. This way you know which one I'm talking about. If you don't have it, you can substitute with a little bit of pav bhaji masala, sambar masala. We are just going to stir it and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to add some kothmeer or coriander leaves, some astafatida, and our cooked moong dal. We are also going to add some water with it because it's too thick. So we need to make it thin so that we can eat it with rice as well. So after adding water, we are just going to boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. And at the end, you are going to sprinkle some kasturi methi. And this is how it looks like. When you eat, you serve it with lemon. Thanks for watching. Bye.